saw these chicken drumsticks. Let me show you how to make chicken lollipops out of them. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. And in this video, I'm making chicken drumsticks, one of the easiest and simplest recipes, but yet the toughest also. And this is what you're going to do. Grab a chicken drumstick and using a knife, cut something small between the lower side of the drumstick and the big side, which has the big muscles. And then make sure using that knife to separate the meat. Some people love to pull it all down together, like doing a slit and pull it down. But whichever way is easier, just make sure you have a bone, a naked bone on top of your drumstick. And then we're going to cut out those ligaments that are a little bit tough and don't look as pleasant. And then for me, my case, I love the skin on. So what I'm going to do is tuck the muscle in and pull the skin to cover my meat and then pull it down. Other people do cover the skin and like flip it all the way the other way. But mine, I love them like this. And one of the other reasons is because I'm going to be doing this in the air fryer, but I'll tell you how to do it and in other forms. Let's make our marinade and seasoning. We have a grated onion, which is very, very rich in flavor, added in salt, dark soy sauce, lemon juice, because we need that acid to continue breaking down the muscles of the chicken drumsticks so they're a bit tender. Add in paprika, turmeric, cumin, white pepper, garlic powder, and then I'm going to add in some little bit of oil to make sure it sticks. Okay, it helps stick the marinade on the meat. And after we've mixed everything together, I'm going to transfer back the chicken lollipops and then mixing using my hands or whatever you're going to use and make sure they are all coated. For my case, I already told you I'm going to do this in the air fryer, and if you're doing in oil, deep frying, it is also advisable that you put them in a position where they are not going to tilt. So you put in oil and then put them in, lollipop down, so that because that is where the muscle is. And as mine are, like you can see mine, the skin is crispy, it's golden, but it's not yet cooked inside. It's still like a bit watery and wet. So I'm going to get aluminum foil and cover this on top. If you're also doing this in the oven, same thing, same procedure. We already know by now that an air fryer is just a mini or portable oven doing the same thing. And what I told you, see, it's a little bit still wet, so you want it a little bit more dry and flaky. And put them back, and this is how they look. They took about 25 minutes to cook. You can put hot oil and deep fry them. You can coat with breadcrumbs to have a thick crust, and you know, these are perfect snacks for like this season when you're waiting for someone, like the guests, to sit all together. You can serve this as a starter. You can serve this as a main, as snacks in the evening. Like when you people are gathered, you can just pull out some chicken lollipops and everyone grab something and you guys enjoy the kabozi, yeah? Thank you so much for watching up until this time. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Merry Christmas. Bye.